You are jumping between 5 different apps just to manage one project. One for notes, one for to-dos, one for calendars, and a separate one for AI. It's not a workflow, it's a digital mess. We've all been there. You have scattered ideas in a document, tasks in a list, and no idea where to actually start. Most apps just bolt on AI as an afterthought, but the right system should have AI at its core. It needs to be a unified platform where your documents, your projects, and your AI agents don't just sit together, they actually talk to each other. That's why I use Obsidian. Let's put it to work. Imagine opening Obsidian and using its AI integration to get started. Instead of staring at a blank, intimidating page, you just type, "Create a 4-week study plan for my exams," including daily tasks, priority levels, and a mind map view. It generates the entire project in seconds. And here's the magic. You can switch between different views instantly: list, board, calendar, or mind map. It's the same data, just reshaped to fit exactly how you think in that moment. Need help executing? You toggle on your AI plugin. You assign it a task like draft a summary for each topic, and it pulls information from the project context you just created to finish the work for you. It doesn't just list tasks, it thinks alongside you. But the real power is that Obsidian stores everything locally. Every time you complete a task or add a note, the system is yours to keep, not trapped behind a subscription or a credit wall. You can even set up automations, like if I complete a task, send a notification to my study group, or when I get an email, convert it into a task automatically. You're not just managing tasks anymore, you're building a system that runs itself. Stop switching between disconnected tools. Take a breath, declutter your process, and bring your docs, your tasks, and your AI into one home. It's time to stop the mess and start the flow with Obsidian.